MJ has quickly released their second release of the Auto Japan set. I say quickly just because it took so long for the first release to finally make it through licensing, and they came out within months of each other instead of a year as originally planned. So, managed to pick up a few master cases, and gonna crack this open, see what we got inside. Normally M2 marks or cases, if there's going to be a chase or not, with like a little permanent marker mark somewhere, a little circle, but for some reason they didn't do it on this release. It's kind of weird. Take a peek inside. Take out the cars. So pretty much the same artwork as before. These are limited to one of 3,200 pieces. Here we have the Datsun Bluebird. Very nice. Ooh, snap, this one got smashed. Then you have the 1971 Nissan Skyline GTR. Kinda disappointed that that's smashed. Not having a lot of luck with this release on at least the ones I've had to open to send out to people. I've had to be mix and matching because a lot of them came scuffed up. And this is really thin plastic, easy to break. So we have the 1970 Nissan Fairlady Z. And while this case didn't have it, I did manage to get one of the chases. This one's limited to one of 400 pieces. It's got the red interior, the red clear tires, and the red chrome. And my hood's on there a little crooked. So, just put them side by side so you can see the difference. Might have to open that up and fix it. That hood. Very cool. I love the red chrome. Sean, if you're watching this, please make more with red chrome. Definitely need more red chrome chases. Anyways, guys, always good luck, happy hunting. Let me know what you're finding.